Former District Judge Denise Hartsfield has spent nearly her entire life in Forsyth County. She hopes to now use that experience in a new role, District Attorney.
I think that the time is now. I'm convinced that the time is now. I'm a firm believer in time and turn. I do believe the time is right. I'm about to see if it's my turn for the timing.
Hartsfield says she wants the job to better connect the community with the legal process and to hear from more voices.
I think that the DA's office is considered to be extremely isolated, only for a few people, only for, the folk who are lawyers or whatever that can have an entry into it. I believe that it can be an office where everybody can have a voice and at least be able to find out what's going on and to express their voice.
Hartsfield worked as a judge and DSS attorney, seeing thousands of cases involving children. She says that experience has caused her to realize more focus on juvenile cases is needed.
But at the end of the day, it's happening everywhere. So if we have to be honest, we have to be transparent, and we have to understand that these children, these juveniles who are out there doing that, are ultimately all of our future.
To help solve the issue, she'd like to see offenses in school handled in school, keeping kids out of the courtroom unless absolutely necessary.
Court is one of those kinds of things that's the gift that keeps on giving. Once you start coming, a lot of times you end up coming back. But we in Forsyth County have a cadre of programs that can kind of redirect and rehabilitate. I'm not talking about for violent crimes. I'm talking about for those little crimes that are gateway crimes to the big crimes.
Hartsfield questions if her opponent, incumbent Jim O'Neill, is committed to the job, citing his failed run for state attorney general in 2020.
I'm committed to the job. I don't want it just for a little while. I just don't want it for every 2 years when I get to run for something else. I'm committed. Home is where my heart is. And I think that Forsyth County has what it takes to be the best county in North Carolina.
In our interview, Hartsfield didn't rule herself out from one day running for higher office. As for her opponent, District Attorney Jim O'Neill was unable to schedule an interview with us. Fort Hatchett, WXII 12 News.